Today we decided to go to Kinsol Trestle, open to the public and used by hikers and bikers, those that want to experience the Cowichan Valley Trail. It's one of the largest of 8 trestles along the route and is one of the tallest freestanding timber rail structures in the world.
Standing 613 feet long and 140 feet tall, with the Koksilah River flowing underneath.
Say hi.
Hi. Follow us.
Follow us for one day. Today we're at Kinsol Trestle. You're wondering why my phone is out and I'm always looking at it? It's because it's what I use to control the drone.
Look at this side.
Hold on, I'll get to the middle over here.
Space. Quite the trestle, though.
It's impressive. Like, you don't realize how tall it is until you look down there and you see little people.
Little people. Yeah.
See? Little people.
Yeah.
Oh, look at all little people.
Too high.
We were actually pretty lucky to get these shots because when we got here today it was still raining pretty hard, but it did die down enough for us to be able to get some pretty good drone shots.
Started in 1911, built by Canadian Northern Pacific Railway and connects Victoria to Nootka Sound for timber and passenger transport.
Rumor has it this trestle was originally constructed of just Douglas fir. It was built by local farmers and loggers and completed in 1920. It was operational until 1979. Then in 2010 they decided to reconstruct it into what you see today, and it's part of the Trans-Canada Trail. The trail itself is about 1 kilometer from the parking lot to the trestle, but the trail altogether they say is 3.4 kilometers long out and back. As you can see from the pictures and the video, the trails are really easy to walk on. You can bring your dog or your stroller without any difficulty. So we thought our video was almost over, and on our way home we managed to catch on our dash cam 2 eagles entwined with each other. Either mating or fighting, we're not quite sure, but it's at the end of the video, so check it out.
So if you enjoyed today's adventure, hit like, share, and subscribe.
Maybe one day you can check out the Kinsol Trestle too. It's quite an experience. But until then, go have some fun. Oh my God, did you see that? Holy crap!
Wow.
That's insane.